Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important and valuable in our modern world, starting to learn English. For many people around the globe, learning English is not just a hobby or a school subject. It is a key to opportunity, communication, and personal growth. Learning English is a journey that many of us begin for different reasons. Some people learn it to study abroad, others need it for work, travel, or to understand music, movies, and books in their original language. Some people simply want to challenge themselves and explore a new skill. No matter the reason, one thing is clear: English is one of the most useful tools you can have in today's world. Let's start with the big picture. English is spoken by more than 1.5 billion people worldwide. It is the most widely used second language, and it's often the language used in international business, science, technology, aviation, diplomacy, and the internet. If you speak English, you can connect with people from almost any country, and that can change your life. But for beginners, starting to learn English can feel scary. You may think, my grammar is terrible, or I can't speak fluently, or even I'm too old to start. These are common worries, and they are completely normal. The truth is, everyone starts somewhere. Every fluent speaker today was once a beginner who didn't know how to introduce themselves or form a full sentence. One of the first steps to learning English is to believe in yourself. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent and curious. Small efforts every day are better than trying to learn everything at once. For example, you can begin by learning the basic phrases. How are you? What is your name? I am learning English. These may seem simple, but they are the building blocks of real communication. Another important tip is to immerse yourself in English as much as possible. You don't have to travel to an English-speaking country to do this. You can change your phone's language to English, listen to English songs, watch English videos with subtitles, or follow English-speaking social media accounts. This helps your brain get used to the language in a natural way. Reading is also a powerful tool. Try reading simple books, children's stories, or online articles for learners. When you read in English, you don't just learn new vocabulary, but also grammar, sentence structure, and expressions that people really use. Don't be afraid to underline new words and look them up. The more you see and use new words, the faster you will remember them. Writing in English can also help you improve. Start a daily journal in English. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your day. For example, today I went to the market. I bought apples and milk. The weather was hot. These simple sentences can grow into full paragraphs over time. And as you write more, your confidence will increase. Listening practice is just as important. Many learners struggle with listening at first because native speakers talk fast or use slang. But this can improve with practice. Start with slow English podcasts or videos made for learners. Listen again and again. Try to repeat what you hear. This will help your pronunciation too. Speaking is usually the most difficult part for new learners. Many people feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Nobody speaks a new language perfectly from the beginning. To improve your speaking, you can practice with friends, join online conversation groups, or talk to yourself in the mirror. You can even record your voice and listen to how you sound. Over time, your pronunciation and fluency will improve. Don't forget about grammar, but don't let it stop you from speaking. Grammar is important, but communication is more important. It's okay to make grammar mistakes if people still understand you. You can study grammar slowly and improve it step by step. Use apps, books, or online videos that explain grammar clearly with examples. Another helpful idea is to set clear goals. Instead of saying, I want to speak English fluently, try to set small goals like, I want to learn 10 new words this week, or I want to practice English speaking for 15 minutes every day. These small goals help you stay motivated and show your progress. Sometimes you may feel tired or frustrated. That's normal too. Learning a language is not always easy, and progress can feel slow. But remember, every minute you spend learning is a step forward. Celebrate your small wins. Maybe today you understood a new song lyric or had a short conversation in English. That's a win. Be proud of it. It's also important to surround yourself with support. Talk to people who also want to learn English. Join online communities, follow English learning pages, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Learning is more fun and effective when you share it with others. And finally, enjoy the journey. English is more than just a language. It's a bridge to new cultures, people, and ideas. It can open doors you never imagined. It can help you travel, study, work, or even make new friends around the world. It gives you a new way to see the world and express yourself. To sum up, starting to learn English is not about being perfect. It's about being open, brave, and consistent. Use English every day, even in small ways. Read, write, listen, and speak as much as you can. Be patient with yourself and enjoy each step of the journey. With time and practice, you will grow and reach your goals. So, if you are just starting, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people are on the same journey with you. Keep going and you will be surprised by how much you can achieve. Thank you for listening and good luck on your English learning journey.